My name is Jenny Barnes. I am a self-taught watercolour artist. So I always try to connect my shapes rather than working on the different features of the face separately. I tend to work on them as really connected shapes. I tend to leave a lot of hard edges in my first layer. I will go much softer edges in my subsequent layers, but for the first layer, it's pretty raw. I use my fingers a lot to kind of move because I'm not careful. I'll often use my fingers to kind of move the paint into place. Add water, and you can create some texture with some. So that's how you force a bloom. You add water to an area that's almost dry, and you'll get this lovely blooming effect. So as I mentioned, the first layer is a lot of hard edges. The further into the painting I get, the more I will soften edges. The blenders are transparent but allow you to lift watercolour. I'll just show you here what I mean. So you just add a bit and clean it on the tissue paper as you go, but it just allows you to lift and bring back those highlights if you want to.